Now it's time to wash my face, to clean my face with face cloth. This is a Muslim cloth, that's how it is called. It's cotton, made of cotton, and it exfoliates the skin whilst wiping away any particles, any dirt from your skin. Here we go. My face is cleansed and it's time to rearrange my hair so I can brush my hair and look nice for you in this morning, like any other morning. Thank you very much for watching, and I love you lots, and please subscribe, and see you soon in the next video. Keep watching, stay tuned, and enjoy every single video that I make, because I make it all for you, and for me too as well. It's my pleasure to make any kind of video for my fans, for my dear fans, for you all, and this is what I do every single morning. So thank you for watching. This music is just so cute. It's like a little kitten playing around.